So guys, see how delicious this food is, guys. So you can see, if you want to know how to make this video, guys, go to Purity Chats, subscribe, like and share, and watch the video till the end, and you will see how I make it. Okay guys, thank you, love you all, see you in our next video. Bye bye. Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Purity Chats. So today's video we are going to be making a teriyaki sauce Nigerian way. These are the ingredients we are going to be used to prepare this delicious food. Okay guys, in here as you can see I have a red pimento, red pepper, I have green pepper, I have onions, I have food pollo guys, I have ginger powder, I have mangin, I have pepper, and I also have blended pepper too. And here I have my oil, I leave it oil. So, and I have salt. So here I have teriyaki sauce. So, and these are my ingredients. Please stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So I want to use this medium, this opportunity to thank old and new subscribers, my lovers, my family that be watching my video, that be sharing my video, and say God mighty bless you all. So, and if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please do me a favor to press that red button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, so that whenever I post any video, whenever I upload any video, you will be the first to notify. Thank you and God bless you. Please keep sharing. God bless you and more grace. So today we are going to start now by cutting the chicken, and after that I'm going to wash my green pepper and slice it too. Step 2 guys, and wash. So guys, this is my chicken. I'm going to cut it to the pieces, the smaller pieces, the way I need it guys. I'm going to be cutting it like this guys, okay? So guys, you can see I'm just finished cutting the vegetable. So we're about to start frying it now, guys. And I have my pot in the fire. So I'm going to put my oil here, guys. I'll put my salt. So I'm going to start frying the chicken now. So see. So guys, so as you can see, this is my chicken, guys. So the next thing I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put my green pepper that I just sliced. So I'm going to put it. Just a little because I put fresh pepper. And I'll be adding my garlic powder, guys. Yeah. So I'm going to stir it, guys. So guys, we'll be adding Maggi, 1 cube.